By the end of this video, you're going to have a step-by-step guide on how you could build out an AI app for beginners in 2026, even if you don't know how to code. You simply just have to have the idea for your app or your website and a prompt which you can write in plain English, and boom, the AI is going to do the rest. So let's dive into exactly how to do this. Now, the way that you're going to build out the app or website of your dreams is using Base 44, because we could see right here that you could simply just describe your app idea and it will go off and build it. If we click on this microphone right here, this is going to allow us literally just to talk to it, so we don't even have to type to it. If we click on this plus, we'll be able to see that we could upload files. For example, if we have a UI, we could capture something from a public URL if we wanted to recreate a feature or design something based off of something. And we could see right here that we could actually choose between the different AI models. I would suggest going with automatic so that it actually matches the best AI model for each request. But if you wanted to specifically use a model like Opus 4.6, Gemini 3.1 Pro, you would be able to do that from here. Now, one of my favorite parts about this is if we click on templates right here, this is going to bring us to all of these different app templates. So let's say we wanted to build something in HR and legal, they have that. Entertainment, they have that. And we can come over here and actually go through all these different templates. And if we click into the details of any of these, this will actually show us exactly what was used in order to build this. So it teaches us how we should actually be prompting this in order to get something. We could see that we could actually use this template if we wanted to recreate this app, or we could view this app by simply just clicking right here. Now, what I actually want to build out is going to be an interior design app. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to say, I want to build an interior design app that lets people choose their style plus upload their empty room or room that they want redesigned, and then it will output different design ideas that they can then choose from. Now, what I would strongly recommend that you do is start with this plan feature right here. This is going to enable plan mode, which basically allows you to create a detailed plan before you begin to build your app. And I would always recommend that you do that. So we're going to click on this right here. This is going to think, and this is going to go off and actually plan out us building out this app together. Now, we just have to go through and we have to answer some of these. For example, what should the app do with the uploaded room photo? We're going to say use AI image generation, and we're going to click on send on this. Then this is going to go through and do this. And this right here really highlights one of the main features right here. So we're going to do both homeowners and professionals. But what this allows us to do is actually link our apps to AI so that this can actually handle full workflows that people are going to want to automate, or just have AI inside of our app to make it way more professional. So what happens after the user actually picks it, they're going to be able to download or share the rendered image, which would be great. And essentially what Base 44 is doing here by asking us these questions and building out this plan is this is cutting down our development time from weeks or months, literally to minutes, because this is going through and this is actually planning this out in advance, which would literally take like a week. And we could see what the plan looks like right here with the intent and goal, the audience roles, the core flows, and what workflows are actually going to happen end to end. And we could see that AI is going to be used in this process right here, what not to do. And this all looks great. So I'm going to click on start building. And like I just said, this is literally taking a workflow, something that would have in the past taken weeks or months to do, and doing it literally in minutes. On top of that, it only took one prompt and a few answers to be able to do this. And guess what? In the past, this probably would have cost like tens of thousands of dollars between having to hire a product manager, having to hire software engineers, having to hire designers, and then keep them on staff while they went through going back and forth like this. But it's way easier when AI is doing this for us. On top of that, as we're about to see right here, as this goes through and actually builds this out, this doesn't require GitHub. This doesn't require any super complicated stuff. The AI is handling everything. We're going to be able to preview it. We're going to be able to edit it. We're going to be able to access things. For example, we could add in Google Auth. We could add in databases. We could add in any AI tools that we want in the background. And that's what really makes this incredibly powerful and highlights some of the integrations that this can actually integrate with while this goes through and actually builds this out for us. I wanted to show these right here. So we can integrate this with Discord, with Slack, with Stripe, with Notion, with Salesforce, with Gmail, Google Calendar. We could see that this literally integrates with a ton of different things. For example, it even integrates with TikTok, where you could have it track your profile stats and actually browse your videos, or even LinkedIn or HubSpot. I want you to think about how much more powerful these right here will actually make it when you have automatic email sending or inbox management actually built into your app so that you and your users could actually use it. Now, just like that, this is actually ready. We could come over here and actually go through all of the code here, which looks incredible. And we could come over here and see this. So we have an overview right here. So we could share our app. We could change the visibility on it. We could see all the users right here. We could also come over here into the data. We could see the analytics here once we publish this and actually begin to collect this. We can manage domain right here, and we can actually come over here and put our own custom domain if we wanted to. We could also choose our email domain right here. Come into integrations, we could come into security, and we can set all of this up. And this allows us to do some pretty insane things. In addition to that, if we come down here into agents, we could see that we could actually build AI agents into our app so that our users will be able to use them. We could set up automations that create a backend function to add automations into our app. We could see all of our logs if anybody has an issue, access the APIs, and all of these other different settings right from here. Now, before I show you the finished product and just how easy it is to actually edit this and deploy this, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with Base 44 today. The idea, the website or the app of your dreams is literally just one prompt away when you begin to use this tool. Okay, so here's what our app actually looks like. If we come over here into preview, we could see that we can now reimagine any room. We could upload a photo, choose a design, and watch AI transform it into a stunning redesign in seconds. It goes through how it actually works right here, and we could get started designing right here. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to name my project. We're going to put living room. And then what we're going to do is actually come over here and upload this image of this empty living room right here. So I'm going to take a screenshot of this. And then we're going to come back over here into our app, and we're going to drag and drop this right here. We're going to see that this is now getting uploaded. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to choose living room, but we could see that we could choose all of these different rooms. I'm going to click on choose style. We are going to I'm going to go with a modern style. Click on generate design, and now this is actually going through. This is analyzing it. This is going to design the space, and this is using AI. And I want to remind you, I didn't have to do anything in order to actually set this up. And also, your Stripe, incredibly easy to set up. The database, already set up. The user authentication, really easy to set up. And this makes it incredibly easy, not only for you to be able to build out your app and add in new features, publish your app, put it on a custom domain, and begin getting users really fast. Because all in all, I think I'm like 6 minutes into actually building out this app, and we already have a working prototype right here. And look at this. We now have this. We could come over here, we could heart it, we could download it, we could share it. For the sake of this, I'm going to download it, and let's actually see what this looks like right here. We could see that this just completely redesigned this room, and it looks incredible. In fact, it looks way better than I could have ever imagined. Now we could come over here, and we could set this live if we wanted to by just publishing it right here, making it actually available. We could publish it as a mobile app right here if we wanted to also, and actually submit it very easily to the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. In addition to that, as we could see right here, we could come over here and connect it to GitHub. If you did want to, we could see more actions right here. So we could act as a user, see what it actually looks like if we're not the admin. We could export the actual project files as a zip. We could see all the files actually used on this page right here, which is pretty cool if you want to be able to find an issue in the code. But the AI will actually do that for you. In addition to that, if we come over here to suggestions, this literally allows us to be able to instantly add things in or edit things. For example, this is giving us suggestions right here, like refine AI with prompts or add a generate shopping list. I'm actually going to add this in right here, and look at this prompt that this just wrote up. And again, we could come over here, we could discuss if we wanted to actually plan things out. We could still upload different photos and things like that into here. We could come over here and actually go through the different AI controls. And if we wanted to edit anything, we could do that. For example, let's just actually, before we do this, I'm actually going to put this feature in here. So I'm going to copy this prompt, but first I want to do a visual edit. I want to click on this right here, and I want to say, please make this text always bold so it sticks out more. And this is literally how easy it is to come over here and edit things. Literally just click on that right there, tell it what to do. Now this is going to go through, and this is going to edit how this is actually going to look whenever it is being generated on our app. Just like that, this is done. The description text is now always going to be bold. And then we're going to come over here. We're going to add this in. And now I have this also heading in a new feature. And guess what? If we don't like any of these changes, we could always revert the changes back. We could edit them. We could copy them. We could see that I can't do that right now because I'm actually chatting with this and it's working. But if I wasn't, we would be able to do that. Very easy. This makes it incredibly easy for you to go from idea to a a website, or to an app that you can then upload to the iOS, to the Apple, or the Android stores incredibly quickly. Okay, so now we can see that this has been updated. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to refresh this, and we're going to try this out to make sure that these edits were added in. So we're going to click on Start Designing here. We're going to click on this right here. Again, we need to upload our screenshot here. So we're going to grab that. We're going to upload this right here. I'm going to name this Living Room 2 right here. We're going to go with Living Room again. We're going to choose the style. For this one, I'm going to go with Bohemian, which is not something I would personally do, but I just want to show off how versatile this is. We can see that this is now going through, this designing the space. We can see over here that this actually gave us new suggestions, which is pretty awesome. And then let's check out what the result looks like here. Okay, so now this has gone through. This has actually created this. Again, we could download this. We could check out what this looks like. If we wanted to, we could actually share this, which is pretty awesome. Or we could click on shop this look right here, which is incredible because this literally just got built out. And now this is going to let us go through and actually find products for our style to match the photo, which is insane because this is going to use Google Shopping right here. And look at this. This literally went through and found all of these different things. For example, this plant stand right here, we have the price to it. We could actually link out to it right here. And this is insane that it uses AI to go and do this. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I would strongly suggest check out this video right here that shows you how to build out AI avatars that you can use to promote your new app or your new website that you just built out with Base 44. If that sounds interesting, well, check out this video right here.